In today's fast-paced world, having a reliable home printer has become essential. Whether it's for printing homework, important documents, or personal projects, the demand for high-quality printers continues to rise. This guide evaluates top home printers based on print quality, connectivity, speed, and versatility. List number 1. HP DeskJet 4227E Wireless All-in-One Color Inkjet Printer Scanner. The HP DeskJet 4227E is designed for users seeking affordability without compromising on functionality. Its compact design makes it an ideal fit for home offices and small spaces. This all-in-one printer supports printing, scanning, and copying, making it versatile for daily needs. Wireless connectivity ensures hassle-free printing from laptops, smartphones, or tablets, and the HP Smart app simplifies managing tasks and monitoring ink levels. Print quality is impressive for both text and color images, with crisp text output and vibrant detailed photos. Its ink cartridges are easy to replace, though high-volume printing may require frequent refills. With print speeds of approximately 8 pages per minute for black and 5 pages per minute for color, it handles everyday printing efficiently. The DeskJet 4227E also supports duplex printing, helping users save paper. While not ideal for heavy workloads, it is perfect for students, small families, or casual home use. Its combination of affordability, compact design, and wireless convenience makes it one of the best options for everyday home printing needs.
List number 2. Brother WorkSmart 1360 Wireless Inkjet All-in-One Printer. The Brother WorkSmart 1360 is a robust all-in-one printer built for productivity and convenience. It excels at delivering reliable, high-quality prints at home or in a small office environment. Users can print, scan, and copy documents seamlessly, while wireless printing options provide flexibility across devices. Its standout feature is a relatively high paper capacity, reducing the need for frequent refills, which is a bonus for those with moderate printing needs. Print speeds reach up to 19 pages per minute for black and white and 16 pages per minute for color, allowing faster completion of multiple tasks. The printer supports mobile printing via Brother's iPrint and Scan app, ensuring easy operation from smartphones and tablets. Print quality is sharp and clear for both documents and images, although color prints may not match high-end photo printers. Setup is straightforward, and the intuitive interface simplifies day-to-day usage. While slightly larger than some compact home printers, its performance and versatility make it an excellent choice for users who value reliability, speed, and ease of use.
List number 3. Epson EcoTank ET2800 Wireless Color All-in-One Cartridge-Free Printer. The Epson EcoTank ET2800 stands out with its innovative ink-free cartridge system, offering substantial savings for users with frequent printing needs. The EcoTank system comes with refillable ink tanks that provide thousands of pages per bottle, drastically reducing running costs compared to traditional ink cartridges. This all-in-one printer supports printing, scanning, and copying. Wireless printing is seamless, with support for Wi-Fi, mobile apps, and cloud services. The ET2800 delivers vibrant colors and sharp text, making it suitable for documents, school projects, and casual photo printing. Print speeds are respectable, averaging 10 pages per minute for black and 5 pages per minute for color. The upfront cost is higher than standard inkjet printers, but the long-term savings on ink make it a wise investment for heavy users. Its compact footprint fits most home spaces, and the intuitive touchscreen interface ensures easy operation. If you want an eco-friendly, cost-effective, and reliable printer that handles frequent printing tasks, the Epson EcoTank ET2800 is a top contender.
List number 4. Canon PIXMA TS3720 Wireless All-in-One Printer. The Canon PIXMA TS3720 is a sleek, budget-friendly printer designed for everyday home use. This compact, all-in-one printer supports printing, scanning, and copying, making it suitable for students and families alike. Wireless connectivity allows printing from smartphones, tablets, and laptops via the Canon Print app, AirPrint, or Mopria. Print quality is excellent for text and casual photo printing. It delivers crisp documents and vibrant images,
although high-volume printing can be slower compared to mid-range printers. Print speeds reach around 8 pages per minute for black and white and 4 pages per minute for color. Its compact design and modern aesthetics make it an attractive addition to any home office or study space. The TS3720 is easy to set up and operate with minimal maintenance required. While it may not offer advanced features like duplex scanning or high-capacity trays, its affordability, convenience, and solid performance make it an ideal choice for those who need a reliable home printer without breaking the bank.
List number 5. Canon PIXMA TR4720 All-in-One Wireless Printer. The Canon PIXMA TR4720 is a versatile all-in-one printer ideal for home offices and small families. It combines printing, scanning, copying, and faxing in a single device. Wireless connectivity ensures compatibility with laptops, smartphones, and tablets, offering convenient mobile printing options. Its standout feature is automatic duplex printing, which saves time and reduces paper waste. Print speeds are around 8 pages per minute for black and white and 4 pages per minute for color, making it suitable for moderate printing needs. Print quality is impressive for both text documents and vibrant color images. Setup is straightforward, and the printer includes a user-friendly interface that simplifies day-to-day operations. The TR4720 is compact, making it a space-saving choice for home offices. While it may not match high-end professional models, it strikes a balance between affordability, functionality, and performance. For those seeking a reliable all-in-one printer with useful features, the Canon PIXMA TR4720 is a strong contender.